Okay, so here we have the bizarre case of a young attorney licensed only about 5 years. Man's name is Briar Horn, California license number 330215. That's the attorney's license number, licensed by the bar. Now, he has two clients in a case, probate case RP 221-20163 out of Alameda County Probate Division, a notoriously scandalous probate division of Alameda County Superior Court. He represents two women who never saw their late father in the last 6 years before he died of cancer. Right? Now, he makes these pathological, outrageous acts of perjury. He filed a memorandum of points and authorities in probate case number Alameda County RP 221-20163. Now, there was a hearing in that case on August 19th, 2023. The brother of the late cancer patient, now he represents two daughters, Attorney Horn. They never saw their father in 6 years before he died of cancer. They're adult grown-ups, licensed occupational therapists, at least one of them is, and they never saw their father. They didn't even talk to him. He testified to that effect at this hearing, in this case on August 19th, 2024 in the probate court, that they never saw their father in 6 years. The brother of the man who passed away testified that he tried to contact the daughters through a Facebook friend that listed their place of employment at a local university library. The brother testified that he called the library and explained that he thought his brother's immune system might kick in and he could go into remission if he heard from his daughters. So he called there, and eventually someone said, "Don't call here anymore, we'll call the police." But get this. Attorney Horn, in a memorandum under oath, later testified that wrongly stated, he said, well, the brother testified at the hearing that he called the licensing board of the occupational therapist with an ethics complaint against the daughters for not seeing their father. He called that licensing board so many times that the licensing board threatened to call the police if they called any more. He misquotes the man's brother as testifying that he called the licensing board so much, and he admitted that he called so much that the licensing board told him he called back, they would call the police. But that's not what he testified to. He testified to calling a university library, trying to find the Facebook friend of the daughter, one of the daughters who never saw their father. This is perjury. This is disgusting. He needs to go get a job at McDonald's or be a bartender or a farmer. Once again, license number law license 330215, never hire this shyster.